Hi, this is Ujeng. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm finally going to wash my Cybertruck. It's been raining a bit lately, and since I got my Cybertruck 2.5 months ago, I haven't had a chance to wash it yet. I didn't do any road trips, but after driving more than 2,500 miles, there are a lot of bugs stuck to the bumper and plenty of handprints on the body. A few marks I noticed when I got my Cybertruck are still there too. So today, I'm going to start with washing, polishing, and even doing ceramic coating. The car wash products I'll be using are the same ones that I've been using for my Model Y, but for polishing and ceramic coating, I'll be using products made specifically for Cybertruck stainless steel body. First, I'm going to give a quick rinse with the pressure washer to get rid of any dirt and dust. I'm using Adams Active 2.0 pressure washer paired with Active's pressure washer gun. Even though I haven't washed the truck in almost 3 months, it doesn't look that bad. Once the pre-wash is done, I'm using a foam gun and using the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Pure Wash Soap. I'm putting a little in the bucket to pre-soak and adding some to the foam cannon. The foam cannon I'm using is from the Gear Garage, and I'll leave a link in the description below. For the wheels, I spray them with the foam gun and scrub them with the tire brush. I'll foam the entire Cybertruck. Since it's not super dirty, I'm just gonna wipe it down with a wash mitt. The truck is tall, so I'm using a small ladder to reach the top. Next, I'm using dry towels, make sure I'm getting all the water. For the side mirrors, using an air gun to blow out water works great. Also, when I opened the tonneau cover, I noticed some water got inside, so I'll need to do some DIY to fix that later. I'm using a clay bar I used for my Model Y to get rid of marks and bug stains, but after spraying some lubricant with the clay bar, stain actually got worse because I think the lubricant reacted to the stainless steel body. Since bar claying was taking too long, I decided to move straight to polishing. For polishing, I'm using a product called Bar Keeper's Brand. It's originally meant for things like cleaning up sinks or refrigerators, but it works great on stainless steel because it cuts through a little layer and makes it a little bit shinier. I tested on the front area first, and the polishing pad picks up a lot of dirt and steels already. After using this product, you need to clean it off thoroughly with the Windex or the glass cleaner. It might not come off easily in one go, so I wipe it down twice. After polishing, the marks were completely gone. I noticed the truck had a slightly bluer hue. Now, I move on to the polishing the entire hood. I'm using an orbital sander and then finish by a hand for a natural pattern, though I didn't really notice much a difference. The front polishing is done. I'm already feeling pretty satisfied. I'll continue polishing the rest of the body. Since the fender is plastic, I'll make sure to mask it with painter's tape because the polishing solution could cause discoloration. The Cybertruck doesn't have many curves, so polishing isn't too difficult, but since it's a large vehicle, make sure you have enough time to work on it. I finished polishing the driver door. Compared to the real door, the yellowish tint is gone and noticeably brighter. The Cybertruck is really popular with kids. My neighbor's kid came over and gave me a Cybertruck model he made out of Lego. It's super cute. Since the sun started to set, I moved the truck into the garage to continue working. After finishing with polishing, all the marks, bug stains, and handprints were completely gone. I'm really happy with the result, but ceramic coating still needs to be done. Since the Cybertruck body is stainless steel, using regular ceramic coatings for cars can sometimes leave strange stains or cause a yellowish tint. So I bought a metal ceramic coating from DIY Detailing to try it out. Applying the ceramic coating is pretty similar to how it's done on regular cars, but for the stainless steel body, you need to use more product amount. Apply carefully in the cross pattern, and after 5 to 8 minutes waiting, wipe it off with the towel. It's tougher to remove than a regular coating, so you'll need to put in a bit more effort. Also, the smell is pretty strong, so make sure you're in well-ventilated area when working. Now, I just need to finish the last part. From start to finish, it took about 6 hours to wash and ceramic coat the truck. Next morning, I checked it under the sunlight and it looked much brighter and completely free of stain. I'm really satisfied with the outcome. After about 2 weeks, I checked the condition again, and thanks to the ceramic coating, dust and fingerprints wiped off easily. Even the bug stain on the bumper cleaned up easily with waterless car wash spray. I'm not sure how long the ceramic coating will last, but when it started to fade, I might consider wrapping the truck and changing the color. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!